This is the best video for any small YouTube channel to watch in order to keep getting subscribers without stress. I will tell you some certain truths that you may never have found on YouTube. The number one truth is to determine an area of interest. Determine what you want to be posting about. It's very basic. Let it be an area you are passionate about. If you are passionate about the topics you like, about the area in human endeavor you like, that passion will keep you, it will sustain you in posting regularly on your channel. You can post anything, but let it be something you love and you have passion for. Let it be something you can easily do. It will help you in posting consistently. Another truth is that you must be consistent in posting whatever it is that you are posting. Don't worry yourself how the video is, the condition of the video. Don't let it bother you. You are just starting. Some people worry so much about the quality of the video that they end up not posting anything at all. The microphone on your phone is good enough for you to start. Keep your phone close to you, or you buy a cheap microphone. If you keep your phone close to you, your microphone is sufficient to boost your voice. Don't let anything stop you from posting regularly. You will have every excuse not to post, but please don't let anything stop you. Remember, subscribers that you are looking for only come when you are posting. So keep posting indoors and outdoors on topics that you love and you can do. Learn to be patient and respect the days of little beginnings. It's important. Never rush to get subscribers. Don't cry, don't worry if they are not coming as fast as you think they should come. You need to see for yourself which of the videos you post that has the greatest engagement. Engagement might be views, it might be in terms of those who subscribed. Those are the videos that you will have to be making. So it is important that you do not rush. Learn to be patient and to respect the days of little beginnings. YouTube is not a 100 meters race. It's a marathon. I know an actress who only posts videos when she gets on movie sets when she's playing with her friends. And those all over the world who love movie sets began to subscribe to her channels. And she ended up getting, for now, over 2,000 generic subscribers just by posting what she likes. So post what you like. Don't worry about technicalities. I want to assure you that out of the billions of people on this planet, some people will find interesting what you are posting and they will subscribe to your channel. Give it time. The third truth is this, and I need to explain something to you first. This is the way the algorithm of YouTube works. It's not complicated. What YouTube's algorithm, what YouTube does is that it takes your video and show it to viewers who have watched similar videos. That's what it does. It helps you to market your videos to people you cannot reach. And the reach of the algorithm of YouTube, as you know, is all over the world. So, how do you get people to click on your video when YouTube shows them? For now, don't worry about the covering page of your video, which is called the thumbnail, right? Don't worry about those. If you can do a beautiful thumbnail, go ahead and do it. But it's not so important. What YouTube also does, from the video you have uploaded, they create a thumbnail for you. So you might as well use that thumbnail. If you cannot make beautiful thumbnails, use the one that YouTube creates for you from the video that you have posted. It is that simple. It is important to concentrate on how you title your video and describe it. This helps the algorithm of YouTube to take your video to people who watch similar titles. Look at how I titled this video you are watching and I described it. Anybody seeking information on how to grow their channel, if it's a small channel, is going to click. That's how it is. Your title and your description will make people click on your video faster than any fanciful design thumbnail that you give it. The fourth truth is to share your videos to family and friends and to all the groups you belong to on social media. Never be shy of sharing your videos. You are not starting as an expert. Have that at the back of your mind. Share anyway. You are only going to get better at it. So don't be shy. Continue to share to family and friends and to all the groups you belong to on social media. This is a secret. Never exit any group you are added to on social media. Why? This is because you are coming in contact with people that you never knew, that you can never access otherwise. The people there are people that have the potential of seeing your videos. The only group I think you should exit are fraudulent groups. That's all. One reason why you should also not exit the groups you are added to on social media is that these people these strangers that you meet in this group, some of them might like the videos you are posting. In marketing, new people are very, very important, either to sell or growing your area of influence. What we want to grow now is your subscriber base. And these people who are in groups that you are added to, who you don't know, are your potential subscribers. What is important is that you post consistently. I repeat, post consistently. Understand that it is what people see that they will click on. If I see a post today and I say, I don't have time to look at this, and I see it in another 2 days' time, in another 3 days' time, I might get curious and say, look, what's this guy posting? Let me even see. And then I will click. And if I like it, I like to get posts like that always. So I will subscribe to the channel. That's how it works. Your viewership will grow, and so will your subscribers grow. The fifth truth I want to talk to you about is never worry how old you are or what background you come from. It's irrelevant on YouTube. What matters on YouTube is if your videos are interesting and they add value. Finish. It has nothing to do with age. It has nothing to do with background. It has nothing to do with country. Interesting videos that add value. Don't forget that. All right, the sixth truth I want to share with you is time of posting your video. There's no hassle about that. What I advise is that you experiment. You post at different times and then watch. Watch what time you post that you got the highest views or the highest engagement. That becomes the time you should be posting your videos. When you post regularly and consistently, the YouTube algorithm also tells you when your viewers are likely to be on YouTube and what time to post. That is the power of the algorithm of YouTube. It tells you when those who watch your videos are online so that you can post at that time and have the maximum engagement. The seventh truth I want to tell you is that don't start your video by begging people to subscribe. Just go straight to the meat of the video, what the video is all about. Go straight and talk about it. Remember that time is very short on social media. Nobody wants to waste time. So if your video does not grab attention, they shift to other things. So don't start by begging anybody. Give them value first, and they will wait and watch your video. Remember that when people click on your video, they want to get the value that you advertised through the title, through the description of your video. That's why they click. So don't waste their time by perambulating, by begging them to subscribe when you have not given value. You can ask them later to subscribe after you have given them value. But don't start by asking for subscription. Give them value first, and they will subscribe, or they may not subscribe. But what is important is that if they have watched your video once, another time you post, YouTube will suggest it to them. Don't forget this. So it is important that you give value first. Grab their attention by giving value. The eighth truth I want to talk about has to do with if you run out of ideas for making videos. What do? Go to channels that are posting similar materials like yours and borrow. Yes, you borrow the ideas and rework it. Give it your own spin, as I said earlier. Give it your own coloration. Make it better and own it. Finally, the most important truth, the ninth truth. Don't procrastinate. Do it now. Do that video now. Do it anyhow. Do it until you like doing it. Thank you.